Hey everyone, welcome back. I do apologize for not posting much recently. I've just started a new job a few months ago and I've had to take time off YouTube to focus on that first. I used to work remotely fully and now I'm going to the office twice a week, so it's taking some adjustment to keep on track on YouTube. But I'm back in the game now. We are still going on with the Wire content series. I do apologize for how long that's been going on for. But in this video, as an easy way to start up with, I just wanted to show you how we can go ahead and improve the select component. So if we go ahead into wire content slash admin, and if we also go ahead and make sure we use npm run dev. Inside our articles page, we want to go ahead and take a look at how we can improve this category component, where we can essentially create a plus button to add more categories. So if we take a look in here, we will be able to essentially create a category from within here instead. So first and foremost, we want to create option form. Now let's go into our category resource. Let's add these components in here. You see now we actually get this whole form here we can use, and it essentially allows us to use it like with it in there. Now, if we head back into a category form, let's see if we can actually go ahead and get away with using tabs inside here. Should be possible, so let's go ahead and add that in. There we go. Now we have these two tabs here, so we can make it a bit easier. We can go ahead and do everything like we did before. We can go ahead and say test, add in a test here, add in a media. And let's go ahead and say test in here. And you see we have an issue here. So the way we can fix this is essentially going in here and making sure we also have a create option using. Now in this case, we actually don't need an array, we need a function. And in this case in here, we want to go ahead and just have the data in here. So if we go in here now and say function, array of data, and we need a return in here. So we need a return of category, create, and then in this case we need to add all of these fields in here. So we have the in this case the title, and we have the content, and we have the media ID, the slug, and is tag, and we also have the text color, user ID. So we can go ahead and get rid of this component here. We also need to add in this case, we just need the parent. And let's see how that goes. So in here we are just seeing one small issue. Let's take a look at how we can fix that. So we need to JSON encode this here. And let's make sure we just have null as default if there's no parent ID. And let's add a media in quickly. All right, so the next thing we need to do in here is inside here, we need to cast the content as an array because we're storing it as JSON. So if we go ahead now and try to store this, let's see what happens. Also, let's go ahead and make sure we have Melisearch running. Okay, we just need to make sure we also have the use ID in here. So let's go ahead and just try to use this one here instead. So let's try again. Just getting a duplicate constraint, that's fine. That's probably just a slug that already exists. And that's just because Melisearch is not running, but that should be fine as well. So if we take a look now, refresh, this will now work. It may not have created because Melisearch is not running, but that's all good. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next